Hello everyone, welcome to my home in Dubai. So me Chef Debjit once again here to share a recipe with all of you. As you guys was asking me that I'll be able to share new recipes or not, but I have promised, right, that I will come. That's why I'm here. Because I feel that learning and growing is a continuous process, you cannot stop it. And the way Solvimania also thinks. Solvimania is one of the best online platform for the student till 12. You can get your tuition from world-class renowned teachers. So what you have to do? You have to just go to my description box and click on their website and register yourself for tuitions. Well, without any further delay, let's start cooking. Today I'll be making a spicy squid masala for all of you in my way. Let's see the ingredients. Here I have squid, 450 grams of squid which is nicely washed and cut into rings, 1 big size chopped tomato, 2 medium size onion finely sliced, 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder as well as 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Here I have 3 dried red chilies, some ginger around 15 grams, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 3 to 4 big cloves of garlic. If you have small, you can use 5 to 6. Here is some mustard seed around 1 teaspoon. Here I got some juliennes of ginger and slices of green chilies around 2 to 3 chilies. Salt as per the taste bud, and I'll be using refined oil for cooking and some curry leaves. Let's start cooking. Take a pan, put it on a slow flame, add oil inside it. Now we are going to make a spice mix. Inside it, put red chilies, garlic, black peppercorn, ginger and also the entire amount of coconut and start roasting on a slow flame. You will see this coconut will gradually change its color and become nice golden brown because of caramelization. You can see it is already started. It is the perfect color. I am getting a very nice flavor. In this I will add the dry spices. This is coriander powder, cumin powder and also the turmeric. Here is my turmeric. I'll just add all the turmeric inside it and keep roasting. I have to roast for another 3 to 4 minutes so that entire spices is nicely toasted and will get a desired color as well as the flavor. Now my spices are ready. I will put it in the blender jar and make a nice spice mix. Do not make it like a paste. Do not add any water. So whatever amount of moisture is there in the coconut, it is sufficient enough to make a spice mix like this. Now in the pan, put some more oil and we will temper with some mustard seeds, red chili and curry leaves. I will wait a bit so that these spices get little bit of color. And now in this I'll add slices of onion and saute nicely. I just want this onion to become little translucent. In that stage I will add some salt and saute again. You can see it is getting translucent. I don't want it to be really brown. In this stage I'll add tomatoes and cook again. When this tomato is almost mashed, I'll add this spice mix which I have already prepared. Wow, I love the flavor of this spice mix. Nice and nutty. In this stage, just add some water and cook for a minute. When this water is evaporated, you can add some more again. and add some salt in this stage. You know, like I love adding sugar, so some sugar, if you don't like, don't add. But believe me, it gives a nice balance of flavor as well as the taste. Now I will add the best part of the dish, that is squid, and which is my favorite. What's about you? If possible, let me know in the comment section below. I love it. And do not cook the squid for too much of time, maximum 5 minutes. And in the finishing, add slices of chilies and juliennes of ginger. Mix it and our squid is ready. You can try it with some hot rice or some chapatis. Look at this. I'm feeling hungry. It is giving a beautiful flavor. So my lunch is sorted. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure that you enjoyed this video and you will try at home, right? So I'm waiting for your feedback on the comment section below. And I would like to thank Solvimania for sponsoring my main ingredient today. See you soon with a new recipe. Till the time, bye bye, happy cooking.